So let's begin our episode 1. So before starting episode 1, we need a few things. The first thing is we need a HTML editor, which is nothing but a basic text editing software program, that is text editor like the Notepad, which come pre-installed on Windows operating systems, or we can download and install Notepad++, which have better features than Notepad. It shows tags and contents in different colors, which will be very useful for us. But for this particular episode, I will be using Notepad, and for the remaining episodes, I will be using Notepad++. There are other powerful text editors like Adobe, Dreamweaver, Microsoft Expression, Microsoft Front Page, Coffee Cup HTML editors, and there are a lot more powerful HTML editors out there. You can download and use them, try them if you want to. The next thing we need is a web browser to check the web, or to check or to test the web pages, HTML web pages we will be building, which will be the basic simple HTML web pages. So the one which come pre-installed in Windows operating system is Internet Explorer or the Microsoft Edge in Windows 10, I think, and in Linux systems mostly the browser pre-install comes pre-installed is Firefox, or you can download and install the very popular Google Chrome. There are other web browsers like SeaMonkey or Opera, Netscape Navigator, something. You can download and use them if you want to. So these are the two things we need, and in this episode we will be learning about Notepad. We will be learning about the use of Notepad. So we will be using Notepad, how to save file and those things. The second thing we are learning about is about HTML5 template, or what we call structure of a HTML5 document. And third and the last thing in this short episode, in short video, we will learn about how to create our first web page, HTML web page / document. Okay, so let's begin. So click on this Windows Start menu. Look for Notepad, or you can directly start typing Notepad. So it will show, and you can click on here. Now write a template. The template, HTML5 template, or the structure of HTML. Here, doc type HTML. The first section in an HTML document is the head sections, where we can insert the title of the web page, which will be shown in the opened tab, okay, at the left top of a web browser. Okay, so head section is closed. We will not be learning about the meta tag in the head section. The next section in an HTML document is body, where the main contents of the web page goes. So right now close it and close the HTML file. Okay, done. So this whole thing is called HTML5 template, or the structure of a HTML document. So now go to file, save as. Now select one of the locations where you want to save your file. Okay, so I will select desktop, and we'll save it. So this is the structure of the template, so we'll type it as template.html. We have to write the extension with the file name .html and select the type, save as type as all files. Now click save. So minimize this text editor and check. So here an HTML document called template is created. You can check by right clicking on it and go to .html. The file extension is .html, so it is correct. Now you can double click and open it in a default browser. In my case it is Firefox. So here nothing is shown because we have not written anything else except the template or the structure of the HTML document. So here it is showing the whole path where the file is stored with the file name and its extension. In the address bar also it is shown like this. So in like this is a HTML page with nothing. So in HTML page the head section shows the title. Here whatever title we will insert, the title will show here instead of new tab. See, instead of new tab, here the title name will be shown of the web page, so we can know that where the web page is open in which tab. Okay, and the body section where the main contents of the web page goes is this whole white rectangular area where we can have logos, images, text, tables and all, anything we want. This is the main part, body sections of the HTML document. So you can see the source by right clicking on anywhere in the body section. Right click on view source, page source. Here whatever the code we have written is shown here. See, now let's close it. So the first two part has been done. Now we have to create our first basic simple web page. So again click on Windows start menu, type notepad, okay, open it. Now again follow the same procedure, write the HTML5 template, that is the structure of the HTML document. You can write without space also, no problem, as we have already discussed. Why title, so you can give a title, relevant title, instead of so this is our first web page. Okay, you can close the title. Now close the head section, start with body section. So first thing we see in a website is a heading. So you can create a heading like h1. So we will discuss about this h1 tags in next episodes, about few tags. Okay, so h1 is suppose heading. So this is our first web page, so the title of the web page will be like heading of the web page will be our first web page. Okay, h1, close. You can write some text, paragraph, so it can be written in paragraph, and this is a test paragraph. So you can write the paragraphs like this, enter. Even if you press enter or you have put a space, the browser will not detect those things, as we have to specify browser everything with tags. So for this example we will not be using this. So the first paragraph is finished, so we have to close. If we need second paragraph, we can use P again. This is second, this is second paragraph. Okay, so we are creating paragraphs. So like this, if this paragraph is finished, we can write paragraph finished. Now suppose our coding is done, so we can close the body section also. Then we will close the whole HTML document using the close HTML document. Now the step is to save. Click save as, select the location. So this is our first web page, so you can write the name as first web page.html. again save type as all files. Click save. Now you can minimize or close it. So here the page is created, first web page. Now click on to see how our web page look like. So click it. So here is our basic web page. Okay, so instead of new tab or the file location name or the whole file path name, what we are showing, first web page. Instead of new tab, it is showing first web page. So that is that code we have written in the head section and in between the title tags. Okay, so this is our website's heading, our first web page, and this is the paragraph. Even though we have entered entered and given a space, the browser is showing is in the same line. So we have to specify if we need a line break or not to the browser. So what we can do, we can view the source as like this. See, we have given after first, second, third sentence we have given space, even though after first, second, third it is continuing till the whole screen space is covered. Then it goes to next page, next line. But see, we have given so many spaces and all those things. So about those things, how we can do those things, how to specify something as bold or italic or underlining, or how we can insert images, how we can insert links, how we can insert tables, we can create list, ordered list, unordered list. That we will learn in other remaining episodes. So for this episode, this much only. So we have learned three things. The first thing is Notepad as an HTML address, how to open it and type the HTML5 template or the structure in that, and how to save the file in anywhere, in any location you want. And this is the third and the fourth and the last part of this episode, that we have created our simple web page. This is our first web page. Yeah, it doesn't look anything good, but this is our first web page. Simple, with white background, home page, heading, and a few text paragraphs, and that with the title instead of the file name. Okay, so thank you guys. Hope you like this video, and I am able to clear some doubts which you have been asking. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.